previous class we have learned about addition of matrix and subtraction of matrix. Addition of matrices and subtraction of matrices. Today's class is multiplication of matrices. How to multiply matrix? In addition, the order should be same and the first element we added or subtracted. Second one with second, third with third, fourth with fourth. There, very important thing in addition and subtraction is the order should be same. If it is 2 by 2 matrix, the next one also should be 2 by 2. Or 3 by 2 means 3 by 2, same order. But here in multiplication, little bit difference is there. You have to follow this multiplication very carefully. This is the last topic of this matrices chapter. If you know how to multiply this chapter, matrices, you are very good in matrices. The first point to remember, I have divided as points to remember. Here two matrices are there, A matrix and B matrix. We are going to multiply these two matrices, A into B is AB. When it is possible, means the first matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. Repeat all of you. The first matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. Here see, the number of columns in matrix A is n is equal to the number of rows in matrix B. It should be equal. First matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. Columns, rows equal. First matrix, second matrix. Small example I will give you. A is 3 by 2 matrix. 3 rows and 2 columns. Coming to B, B is 2 rows and 4 columns. When we are multiplying, first we have to check whether the first matrix columns is equal to second matrix row or not. Equal. Then only we can write yes, it is possible. If it is not equal, impossible, not possible. So, when we multiply, which type of matrix will come means 3 by 4 matrix comes. 3 rows and 4 columns. The final answer will be in 3 rows and 4 columns. Please follow this what I am saying. The first matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. That is the concept. Now example 2. Here one X matrix is there and Y matrix is there. We are multiplying X, Y, whether it is possible or not. Here columns are 2 and rows are 3. Are they equal? Is 2 is equal to 3? Not equal. So X, Y not possible because first matrix columns not equal to second matrix row. 2 is not equal to 3. So it is impossible. We cannot multiply matrices in this type. Second point to be remembered. First point. What is the first point? Number of columns in first matrix should be equal to number of rows in second. To be simple, first matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. That is the concept. Coming to the second point to be remembered. Here you can see two matrices. Matrix A and matrix B. You can't play any trick in this matrix. So, A matrix is A, B, C, D, that is 2 by 2 matrix, and B matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. First we have to check whether it is possible or not. We are checking first matrix column and second matrix row, whether they are equal or not. Equal or not? Yes, they are equal. So it is possible. AB is possible. AB means A into B. Multiplication of matrices is possible. And what type of order we will get? Which order we will get means the remaining 2 by 2 order will come. Now we are multiplying. How to multiply matrices? This is the second point you have to remember. What is the second point? Means we are going to multiply this. Can you see this arrow? Row will be multiplied with column. First row, first column. This one. A into 1 plus B into 3. This is first element. Row with column. Coming to the second one, again the same row with second column this time. A into 2 plus B into 4. Can you see properly? This is the second element. The same row with first column, the same row with the second column. Now coming to the third element. Come to the second row now. C into 1 plus D into 3 means second row with the first column. And coming to the fourth one, C into 2 plus D into 4. Second row with the second column. So in general, how to multiply matrices means we have to multiply. How to multiply matrices means first matrix row with the second matrix column. So first matrix row with the second matrix column. Again first matrix row with second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Practice will make you perfect. Now I am multiplying here now. A1 is A plus B into 3 is 3B. A into 2 is 2A plus B into 4, 4B. C into 1, C plus, don't forget this plus. D into 3 is 3D. C into 2 is 2C plus D into 4 is 4D. So we got AB. 2 by 2 matrix we should get. Here also we got 2 rows and 2 columns. So what is the second point? How to multiply matrices? Row with column. All of you say first matrix row with second matrix column. Properties on matrices. Commutative property. First one, commutative property. In addition, A plus B is equal to B plus A. If we add these two matrices, A plus B, what answer comes? The same. When you add B plus A also same answer comes. This is called commutative property under addition. Coming to multiplication. But in multiplication, when we multiply AB not equal to BA, for multiplication it is not possible. For addition it is possible. Which property this is? Commutative property. Second one, associative property. What is the second property? Associative property. In addition, A plus, you have to do some pause. B plus C, because you are keeping these two in brackets. First you are going to add what is given in the bracket, B plus C. With this answer again you are going to add A. So how to read? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. In RHS, this time you are adding A plus B first, then C. This is which property? Associative property. In multiplication, A into BC means we have to multiply first BC, we will get answer. Then we have to multiply with A. Bracket first we have to do. What is given in the bracket? That is equal to AB into C. So which property this is? Associative property. Coming to the third one, distributive property. Distribution, you know, chocolates distribution, biscuit distribution. This A is distributed to B and again this A is distributed to C. So A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So multiplication distributes over addition. Bracket indicates multiplication. A into B plus C. So AB plus AC. AB means what? A into B. AC means what? A into C. So which property? Distributive property. Exercise 9C. First problem. Given matrix A, what they have given is equal to 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. And B they have given matrix 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1. First they told to find, first bit, write down the product of AB. Second bit, would it be possible to form the product matrix BA? If so, compute BA. If not, give reasons why it is not possible. Solution given. They have given matrix A as 1 minus 2 1 2 1 3, means 2 rows and 3 columns, 2 by 3. The order of matrix A is 2 by 3. Coming to B, matrix B, 2 1 3 2 1 1. How many rows? 1 2 3, 3 rows and 2 columns. Now we have to check whether multiplication is possible or not. Multiplication of matrices is possible. How it is possible? The first matrix columns equal to second matrix row. It is possible because first matrix columns is equal to second matrix row. 3 and 3 are same. So which type of matrix we will get means 2 by 2 matrix will come. The order of matrix AB, when we multiply AB, the order will be 2 by 2. Multiplication AB. AB means A into B. What is matrix A? 1 minus 2 1 2 1 3. What is matrix B? 2 1 3 2 1 1. Before I told you whether it is possible or not, we have checked. First matrix, this is 2 rows 3 columns. This is 3 rows 2 columns. So first matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. Both are equal, possible, and we will get 2 by 2 matrix. Now coming to multiplication, row with column. We have to multiply row with column. Just for understanding purpose I am drawing these arrows. No need to draw. Just for understanding. Row with column. 1 into 2. Can you see 1 into 2? Plus minus 2 into 3. Keep brackets because you are multiplying. Next 1 into 1. This is all first element. First element. Again the same row with second column. 1 into 1. First bracket plus minus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. This is all second element. Second element. Now first row completed. With now second row, again first column. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3. Not this 3, this one. Don't get confused. 1 into 3 plus 3 into 1. Can you follow? Slowly I am teaching. Slow and steady wins the race. Not hurry burry. Afterwards big worry. Next. Again the same row with the second column. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. If you do this correct, your whole problem is correct. So be careful, you have to practice this. Row with column. Again the same row with second column. Second row with first column. Again second row with second column. Practice will make you perfect. 2, 1, 2 is 2. Plus into minus, minus. 2 3s are 6. Plus is there, plus. 1 1s are 1. First element. Maintain distance. Social distance. Now coming to second element. 1 1s are 1. Plus into minus, minus. 2 2s, 4. Plus 1 1s are 1. Now again. Third element. 2 2s are 4. Plus 1 3s are 3. Plus 3 1s are 3. Third element completed. Again gap. 2 1s are 2. Plus 1 2s are 2. Plus 3 1s are 3. Now simplify. Add positives. 2 plus 1, 3, minus 6. Next, 1 plus 1, 2, and minus 4. Add 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Still simplification is there. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. 2 minus 4 minus 2. What is this one? Minus 2. And 10 and 7 as it is. Now I told you which type of matrix we will get after multiplication. 2 by 2. So 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows we got, 2 columns we. Second bit. In first problem, second bit. AB we found. Now BA. BA means B into A. Multiplication of two matrices. B matrix is 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1. And matrix A is 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Before multiplication, we have to check whether it is possible or not. What is the concept? First matrix column should be equal to second matrix row. Equal. 2 is equal to 2. So, what type of matrix will come means 3 by 3 matrix comes. They are asking in question, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. And they are asking reason. Because first matrix columns is equal to second matrix rows. We get BA as 3 by 3 order matrix. Order of 3 by 3. Now we are multiplying row with the column. With this row you are going to multiply with this column. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. First element. Again the same row with the second column. 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1. Next. Again the same row. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Like that now with the second row. Second row with first column, second row with second column, second row with the third column. 3 into 1 plus 2 into 2. 3 into minus 2 plus 2 into 1. 3 into 1 plus 3 into 3. See. Now, coming to the last one. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Next 1 into minus 2 plus 1 into 1. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Did you understand? Row with column, row with column, row with column. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 2 is 2. This is first element. Second element. You have to maintain distance. Plus into minus, minus 2 2s 4 plus 1 ones are 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 is 3. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 2s 4 plus into minus, minus 3 2s 6 plus 2 ones are 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 3s are 6. 1 ones are 1 plus 1 2 is 2. Plus into minus, minus 1 2 is 2 plus 1 ones are 1. Again 1 ones are 1 plus 1 3 is 3. Now you are going to simplify. 2 plus 2 4. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. 3 plus 6 9. 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Now this is the product of BA. We got 3 by 3 matrix. Before I told you one property. AB not equal to BA. AB not equal to BA. That only proved. When we multiplied AB, we got one answer. Now when we multiplied BA, we got another answer. So this is not commutative.